Back up again.
Hello.
I can operate this technology, I promise. All right. We are on. I got the red lights on. We're good to go. All right, perfect. Welcome back to the Roadkill Drums podcast.
Are we having fun?
I'm gonna bang a drum. Oh shit, I died. I'm gonna go.
Welcome back to the Roadkill Drums podcast. My name is Laurel. Down on the other side there, we got Mark Roadkill of Roadkill Custom Drum Company. Today we are joined by Jonathan from Robot Drums. Am I saying that right?
Yeah, Robot Drum Company.
Robot Drum Co.
Yeah.
Perfect. So, by the way, feel free to pick up the microphone and talk into it. We're combating with a lot of noise, so get nice and close.
Cool.
It's no problem. I'm probably not going to have a voice tomorrow, which will be really interesting.
Same.
We'll get it done. We'll get it. I'm already fucking it up. There we go. Nice. So,
Okay.
like, I got to walk by you earlier, but you guys were crowded. I saw the drum that was on the rotation.
Oh, yeah.
The black concept art that was around the edge of that snare was badass as shit.
Yeah,
so
thank
tell
you.
me a little bit about Robot Drums. You guys.
Yeah, sure. So, we kind of started based on a dream that I had.
Okay.
It was the night of Thanksgiving 2019. Turkey tryptophan fueled fever dream where I saw a machine that could drill holes in drum shells. And I had built some drums in the late 90s, nothing special, and it was kind of weird that I would have this dream about a machine related to drum making, but I couldn't get the idea out of my head, and as I thought about it more, it was like, if I could drill holes in a drum shell, I could probably machine whatever I want into the surface of a drum shell. And fast forward a couple more months of kind of thinking about it, and COVID happened. There's a shutdown. I've got nothing but time, and kind of just figured out how to make it work. Now I've worked as an engineer for 25 plus years in the computer industry, tech industry, but never built
CNC computers?
No, never built a CNC machine. I've used one once, and it was like, but I'm one of those,
I was about to get nerdy with
one of those people that just if there's anyone that could just make something happen, well, I'm someone I can make something happen. Like, why can't I build that? Why can't I do that?
Yeah.
And if you bang your head against something long enough, eventually, something will find its way in.
Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully it's an idea and not part of the wall.
Well, hopefully. Yeah, exactly.
So that's awesome. So going up to now, what is your crowning achievement with Robot Drums so far?
Let's see.
The thing you're most proud of?
I think right now, just the fact that I've been able to build some drums that are very unique, stuff that's never been seen and done before, and I'm now being sold in at least one retailer. We're in Simple Fusion
there you go.
right now, and trying to get into some more dealers. Getting to come to drum shows like this has been pretty special.
Yeah, I mean, this is an awesome freaking show. You can hear it in the background. There's a lot of drums being played.
Oh, yeah.
all
I'm
the
going to
time.
say it again, the best drum show in the world.
And
And if anybody in Europe wants to prove me wrong, send me tickets,
there you go.
including flight.
There we go. Yeah, including flight.
And I might change
Check it
my
out.
mind, but if it's not as good, I won't.
Fair enough. So it sounds like you guys have been in business since about 2021?
Yeah, so I started the process in 2019, and it took me a couple years to get to where I had a drum that I thought was good enough to share with someone that they might want to play or even pay money for. And then I kind of decided I would kind of go back into stealth mode and kind of try and perfect it. It's harder than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah.
I had a thing that was a drum-looking thing and sounded like a drum pretty quickly. But then I discovered if you want to go and just buy an acrylic shell or a ply drum shell, they're not perfectly round, and the process I developed didn't work really well with that. So then I had to figure out how do you machine something accurately that isn't a perfectly round circle. And once I figured that out, it's like sky's the limit. Pretty much machine whatever I want onto any kind of imperfect drum shell and come up with something really unique.
That's badass. Okay, so do you have any big projects or ambitions coming down the pipe you can give us a teaser about, or anything you got coming up?
So the big thing that was kind of like available at this show for the first time was I have a full maple kit that's been fully CNC machined and includes 3D printed lugs, and 3D printed throw off on snares.
Nice.
That's something I've been working on for almost the same amount of time, and another one of those things that I thought, man, this is gonna be so easy. 3D printer, you press go and you get a lug, and that just wasn't the case. And you figure out how to solve these problems. That's just what engineering is. You find a problem, you solve it, and you move on to the next one. They keep stacking up, and hopefully you solve them all.
Oh yeah, I'm not going to pretend that I know like how the engineering stuff works, but I've had friends that have been engineers, and they're like, I got this at-home 3D printer, and I'm going to make some stuff. I'll bring it tomorrow, and then it's been like 2 weeks, and I'm like, everything good? And they're like, it's actually a lot trickier than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, it's really easy for 3D printing to become a 3D printing hobby, and not a like, here's some cool shit that I made with a 3D printer. Because it's its own set of problems to debug and get past. But they've gotten so good now that they really are almost appliance-like. If you can design something, you can hit go, you're probably going to get a good part out of it.
Well, I think the fair way to describe it, I think the common misconception is that a 3D printer is as simple as a printer at home, which, to be fair, printers at home, a lot of people struggle with. But there's a common misconception that it's that simple. I want to make a new wallet, put it in, print it, and it's good. But it's a tool, and just like mastering any other tool, you got to learn how to master it and work with it.
Well, there's more process to it than that. First of all, you have to have the design.
Yeah, that's true.
Then you have to put it in either AutoCAD or another file that'll convert to another, which you need another program for.
Oh yeah,
so
this is true.
And they're all fucking expensive. I mean, I had AutoCAD Revit structure one time with my structural steel business. Which at the time was, I think I was the third person in Florida, and I was a small guy.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, trying to compete with multi-gazillion-dollar corporations. It didn't work.
Yeah.
But I understand all the stuff you have to go through to do it. And printing is not as easy as people think.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still a CNC machine, computer numerical control. So you have to program it. Now they have made the programming so easy now that, well, I hate to say normal people can use it, but it's getting close.
Yeah.
You know,
especially the Bamboo Lab printers, they've made them super user friendly. Websites with like pre-designed files that you can easily just plug in and go. It's really made it a lot easier. It's changed a lot in the last couple of years.
Well, I mean, I'm 30 years ago. That's 3D printed.
Yeah, the little thing right there.
Yeah,
that's my Deaf and Drum. Those are some really good friends of ours, and we're a dealer for them, and they make some really cool shit.
But you know, I was working with CNC machines. Oh God, back in the early '90s.
Okay.
Well, actually, in the '80s, mid '80s, early '90s. So,
so before I was born.
Well, it was way before they had the machine languages they do have now.
Yeah.
It's like back in my day, you still had to write the program.
Oh yeah.
So you had to know all your G codes, everything to do with it, and you had to actually write the program. Then you had to have the balls to run that the first time, hoping you didn't crash that $1 million machine.
Break a tool, break the machine.
Oh, I broke
Pressure's on.
Yeah,
I broke some stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
I've seen you. I bet you have broken some stuff. All right, so John, let me ask you this question: where'd the robot name come from?
So a couple things. First, is I basically designed a robot to help me make drums. So there's that. All my favorite drum brands are Japanese brands, and I was really into like Robotech and like the Japanese robot thing, and I thought it would be cool just to be called Robot, and it kind of stuck. Like my very first drum, I kind of engraved, Robot Drumworks is what I thought it would be called. Yeah, I engraved that on a drum, and I thought that looked cool, so I just kind of went with it. And from there, robots are awesome.
I mean, robots are awesome. I was just curious where the name. The fact that you designed a robot to help you build drums is fucking cool as shit.
Anyone who knows me well knows that like I will try my best to like overcomplicate it to like solve any problem.
I wonder who that sounds like.
Anything worth doing is worth overdoing.
It's what I'm saying.
I wonder who that sounds
And
like.
it's like, babe, I really want to solve this problem, but I'm going to need a laser in order to do it. So, you know, it's like that sort of thing.
Dude,
So,
I'm
gonna need
this way
another
with
3D
cameras.
printer.
I'm like, see, I want to
there you
shoot this
go.
thing, so I want to get that $5,000 camera. I want to get this. Oh, hey, let's get this new lens. I want to get this cool arm system. Like, I'm with you. I'm
I
with
wanted
you.
a laser too, but it was $1 million.
Oh, shit.
So I got my plasma table, which was only
Fair enough.
100,000.
there you go.
But I had to build my own table.
That's Mrs. Roadkill right there. That's who he had to explain all that to when he would go out and spend all that money.
Awesome.
She's talking to me about it.
Yeah, I've done some stupid stuff.
You know,
My
it's-
wife's right here somewhere
It's
too.
great to have a supportive wife. My wife recently bought me a new laser, like for Christmas.
I want your wife.
Like seriously, like, I know, like a fiber laser, so I can do metal snare drums now.
I think we got the title for this episode.
Yeah,
I want
you
your
know,
I
wife.
want your wife.
You might even really after you met her. She's amazing.
That's awesome.
Great.
Well, she owns this company. So I'm just slave labor anyway.
Great.
All right, brother. So before we sign off here, real quick, tell us: is there anything else that you'd like to like any I would say I want to say ambassadors. That's not the word I'm looking for. Sponsorships or endorsements or anything you want to give a shout out to, or places we can find the robot drums or anything like that.
Where they can find you.
So symbolfusion.com. Is carrying my drums now, and if you're a drum retailer out there that's looking to carry like a new up and coming drum brand with unique drums, hit me up and let me know. Let's figure something out.
I think you guys can have a nice conversation after we finish signing off here. We're based out of Central Florida, and that is the drum dealer for Polk County, Florida,
Wonderful.
and beyond. You've been sending drums all over the country lately.
I've got drums in
New York, I saw a couple in Texas.
Shoot, I'm trying to think where the last one I just sent out of the country went to Argentina.
Oh yeah, that's right. You are outside. the country now,
I've got
too.
them in Germany. Several places. What's that other place got?
I don't know.
I don't either.
I'm on this side. I'm not on the drum side.
Somebody fed me a shot in the last. I'm lost now. I'll think of it in a second. Just blurt it
speaking of
out.
robots, you ever seen the show Futurama?
Oh, I love you.
Yeah, so he's like Bender. He has to have alcohol to function. If he sobers up too much, he gets all out of whack.
Yeah. Ireland, nice.
Ireland. I sold it to Ireland.
Ireland? Ireland?
Yeah, a guy in Ireland bought it.
It's so funny. Listen, you try to get rid of that country accent
I
and
fucking
do an
can't.
Irish
I
one.
can't do it.
It's so funny.
Like
Ireland.
Ireland. It's the draw. It does.
It is the draw. It gets you good.
But I'm getting used to it the more I hear myself.
Yeah.
It's like, do you hate hearing yourself talk? Oh my God. I did too, and now I've just got to the point where you're going to be a dork anyway, so just do it. You know? Hey!
Go with it.
Fuck Ireland!
Oh, don't say that.
Buy more of my drums!
You just said fuck Ireland.
No, what I meant was,
Respectfully, of course.
I meant
With
fuck
respect.
Ireland's.
I like the rock and roll way.
No, I meant fuck Ireland's great.
Yeah,
There
there
you
you
go.
go.
They buy
you
the
go.
great drums.
You know what? I felt like you were about to say that, and I cut you off. I apologize. He was trying to say Ireland's fucking great.
Definitely not
No,
insulting.
I just
No,
fucked it
this
up
is-
the first time.
this is awesome.
I don't fucking need excuses.
All right, John.
I am who I am.
Thank you for joining us today.
Absolutely.
We're
Thanks
looking
for
forward to
having
come
me.
by your booth and see more
For
of your
sure,
cool
definitely.
stuff, man. The fucking robot. I'm still stuck on that. That's fucking cool as shit. You know what I'm imagining? I'm imagining in the first Iron Man movie when he has the robot machine that like helps him build
yeah.
the suit.
Yeah.
I'm imagining something like that helping you build drums.
That's exactly what I built.
Dude, that's fucking cool. Like,
Okay,
all right, you're
I'm
the
not
Iron
done
Man of
yet.
drums.
I want-
Tony Stark of
Hold on.
drums right here.
What kind of robot do you have?
I designed and built it. It's not really,
Okay.
it's a CNC machine with 3-axis, XT, and A-axis. Yeah, I can machine up to a 26-inch diameter drums by 20 inches deep, down to like 8 inches. I mean, it's...
Sorry for the nerd talk,
Yeah,
but
No,
we're,
no,
we're
you're
good.
fine. Go for it.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's plenty of people out there that love it.
and I actually live stream it when it's running. I live stream it on YouTube.
Fuck yeah.
And then they're all recorded, so like a lot of the drums in my booth, you can go and watch. If you have 13 and a half hours to spare, You can watch that amber acrylic drum get machined in real time. You can see me changing all the end mills that I broke on it, and it ended up being the best. What I think is my favorite snare drum that I've ever made. Hopefully next time it doesn't take 13 and a half hours.
Yeah, that kind of hurts trying to sell that.
But you know, I keep it up on monitors all over the workshop, and I can go and do other things and don't have to be babysitting it.
That's fucking cool.
Yeah.
Like Tony Stark at drums right here.
I was tool design engineer.
Oh yeah.
So
right on.
I mean, I'm just already in my mind going, I know ways to speed that up 1,000 times.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, I'm just like, I want to get in there.
Nerd alert.
You dig with my machines. Pretty cool.
I want to see it now. You say you built
Yeah,
it.
for sure.
I mean,
Where are you guys based
I did
out
a lot of Paducah.
Just outside of Austin, Texas, in
Okay.
a little town called Leander.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even better, our son lives in
Just outside of Dallas,
Arlington.
Arlington.
Oh.
And I sold some drums to a kid I say a kid, man,
Yeah.
in Austin just last year when we went through on the trip.
I hope he's watching. I hope he's watching you call him a kid.
Right.
He either loves it or he's glaring at you right now.
Well, right now I'm trying to think of his name. If I do, I'll give him a shout out. But yeah, really cool drummer kid. He's young. I'm older, so I can call him a kid.
That's fair. That's fair.
And he actually, I think, moved to Chicago this year.
Oh, that's a brave
Or
move.
something. That's what I thought. I'm like, what the fuck are you doing? You know, but hey, I think he's into computer work. and
Everyone's
stuff
got
too,
their
so.
reasons, man.
Right.
I didn't have, only had 10 minutes to get to know him when we dropped the drums off. So, but I think he's into computers and programming and stuff.
Oh, okay.
So it was a business move he had to make, I'm sure.
Yeah, Austin's kind of known for two
Nobody-
scenes, music and technology. You've got Dell and Apple and a bunch of big tech companies there.
Well,
Yeah.
I'll say this. Maybe next time you head out towards Texas, go visit family, you should stop by and see his
Oh,
machining
hell, I'm
shop.
down.
You're
Yeah.
welcome. Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Absolutely.
Get some pictures and videos of it. That'd be freaking badass as hell.
Road trip.
Road trip with Road
Tony, road trip.
Road trip. All right, brother. Listen, there's a lot of drums being played right now. Let's go make some noise. Let's go have some fun. Thanks for
Awesome.
being on the
Thank you
show,
very
brother.
much. Thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.
All righty, guys. Let's go.
We're out.
I'm gonna bang a drum.